Hello guys, in this tutorial I am going to share with you about XM broker real account with MT4 setup. This video will be helpful for beginner forex trader. I want to inform you that I don't suggest anyone for real trading. First of all, you can tie in your demo account when you comfortable, then you can tie in your real account. This video I am making for a beginner trader. This video will be helpful for him. First of all, you can check my video description with first link. If you click, then you can see this form. After that, you can select the first name, last name, and country, number, and language. From same here English, email, and select the MT4. Then select account type standard or anyone you can choose. I am choose the standard. Just fill up this form, then you click the agree to the term and condition. After that, you just click this next step. From same here I am just fill up my information, then going to the next step. In the next step, you can see your date of birth, then you can just select your date, month, and year. After that, you just fill up your city, state, resident, postal code, also the any citizenship, USA. Then need to fill up this option, otherwise select the no. Then you can see the basic currency pair USD. Then from same here you can just select the leverage. Then from same here you can see the bonus, yes or not. I am not suggest any bonus option, because of if you any broker give you bonus, then must be win to the broker benefit. Give me some option for higher level, then you can withdraw the bonus. Otherwise, this is the system is totally painful. That's why I am not suggest anyone for select the bonus option. You can trade with your real money. This will be better. As a trader, I can suggest you don't select any bonus option. From same here, just you can select from same here. Then you can just fill up the this form with your own capacity. Trading knowledge. From same here you just select the some option, carefully read it, then you can select it. I am just select this option. This you can check again. This is I just selected. Everything is good. Just country address is left. I will also just fill up this one, password. You can fill up this option with your own capacity. After complete your form, then you just click the open a real account button. Then need to confirm your email address. You can check your email address. You got an email, then click this email link, then you can confirm your account. After you click the confirmation email, then you can find out this option. So then from same here you can check your MT4 ID. From same here you can just copy it. Now need to my download MT4. For download MT4 you can check your email address, another email. You get email about download MT4. Otherwise you just type in Google XM MT4 download for PC. From same here you get a URL, first or second URL. Then you can from same here you can download it. You can choose your version, then you can download it. I just click the download button. After that, after the download complete, you need to install it, and then click here. Check this is the install is complete almost. This is very fast because of this platform is good if you into trading as a forex trader, you can choose this platform. This platform is good. From login page, then you can check the login option. You can put your MT4 ID and password, then you can log in. I just put my account ID and password, then I can log in my account. Check, this is the login. I just log in my account. After that you can verify your account. Because of I don't have any history, I just create this account. You can verify your account. After that, and lots of options available from same here. You can verify your account, also the make deposit window. Lots of things available, you can check it. I am going to test about the MT4 setup. From same here, you can check my account is real account. From same here you get a email about the download MT4. Also the check, this is my MT4 ID, this is my account login server names, our real account 38. From same here you need to this information. From here you can just click the next button. 38, choose the 38. Real account 38 not available. I just scan again. Okay, if I don't found, doesn't matter, but I can create any option from same here. Click this option, then go to your email. After that, copy these server names, then click from same here. Okay, then click this 38. Check, this is my import numbers 38. Then click this next option, then exist account. From same here, just click this your click your ID and copy to paste. Put your password, and then from same here you can just click finish. Complete. Same here you can check tab option, alerts,
incoming mail,
mailbox, down bar you can hidden. Also you can available by click this option. From same here you just click this option. From same here, this is the live market position. From same here you can choose the candlestick. Then from same here this option, you can select, just select. If you need to open a trade, then from same here you can check tools option, new orders. If you select buy, if you see market go only up, then you can make profit. If you select sell, if you see market go to the down, then you can make profit. If you market go to the against your trade, you are loser money. From same here, this is the volume of the your trade. First of all you can tie with a small volume, then day by day you can increase it. Must be check this option. This is the another most important things from same here. Okay, from same here, market analysis, select the 5 minute or 1 minute. From same here you just check the, this is the idea about the support and resistance lines. So you can analysis by these lines. If you load this page, then you cannot see this line. By this option you can calculation your pips. If you need to save as a template, from same here right button you click the template, click the save, then click on option. Then if you reload the another page, right button, click the template, then click the save PB, then you can see your previous saving template is available here. And this is the good thing. Also you can check for yourselves, lots of things available. You can tie in your demo account. enter in your demo account. Must be open a demo account. After that you can log in and test your account. For real account must be you verify. After that you make deposit. Otherwise sometimes go to the wrong things. That's why I will suggest make a verify first. After that you can make the deposit. This is the thing about overall basic things for new traders. So I think you understand. Thanks for watching this video.